Wise Link Academy. Today we want to draw the interpenetration of this cone in which this is a cone in which cylinder is intersecting it. So we want to draw the interpenetrating arc or intersecting arc and the intersecting arc in the plan too. That is, we want to draw this. How do we start? We start. Let me show you some things for we start. As you can see, this cone here is having the baseline here is what 80 diameter. They told us the height of this cone is what 80. They also told us that from this baseline here to this center point here, there's what? This are what 28. They told us that from here to this place is 55, while the dimension from here to here is what 36. So now let's start. Let's replicate this to the to our board and let's see what we're having. But the first thing to do is what? To draw our plan, which is what? We're going to use the dimension of what? 18 diameter. So let's do that. So you take your set square this way, you draw your horizontal line this way, and see, draw a vertical line. Like this. Take it this way, upward, as you can see. Isn't it? The next thing to do now is to measure this center point here, this baseline center point here, 80 diameter. I mean now measure 40. So measure my 40. This is my point 0. Let me assume this one is my 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 40 and here. So look at this center point here. And draw your circle. So this circle has a diameter of what? Diameter of 80. As you can see the circle shown below. Next up, let's make sure we thicken the circle very well. Let's thicken it again. It must be thickened. So now, next up, you take your point this way. Next up, you take your set square this way. You put this line upward. You can see, other side, where the line upward. You'll be having this. So you can also project this middle line, extend it upward. By doing that, we're having this. Alright. So we'll be having this. So now, so essentially what? Drawn the circle. Now let's establish this triangle. So now let's take this point to be our starting point. Let's assume from here to here to be our starting point. Taking it. After actually taking it, the next thing to do is what? What is the height of the cone? The height is what? It's going to be 80. As you can see that 80. And let's measure our 80. I measure my 80 this way. That is from here. I'll show you. My 80. So from here is 0. 80 to 90 here to 9 here is 80. So you what? This is 9. Sorry. You will not measure it here. Rather, you come to this center point. Measure 80. This is my 80. Here is my 80. You can see that. The next thing, this is touching this point here. The next thing to do is what? Take your interrow, connect this point to this point. You connect together with a thick line because it is thickened. As you can see, it is thickened. You're taking it. The next thing to do is what? You should take your interrow, you close this up with a faint line. I'll be having this. Now, next up, what do you observe? They said, as you can see, let me show you very well. I've successfully drawn out this and this. I want to develop what is here. Now, how do we do that? They said from this baseline to somewhere here is 28. Now, from this baseline to somewhere here is 28. Let's do that. 28. Measure my 28 from here. From here to somewhere here. We are 28. Alright. So from that point, you draw a line this way. So you can see that line. So now from this center point, it's meeting at this point here. Isn't it? So now from this point, we're going to develop this. So you transfer this point outside this way. You can see the center point here to transfer it outside this way. So the next step, the diameter of this is what? 36. So that is what? That should be 18. I'm going to measure 18. Because 18 plus 18 will give us 36. So measuring 18 from here, 18 from here to here is my 18. So I place my pin and compass this way, cut here, and cut here. That's what I'm doing. Then you take your T-square this way, you draw a faint line outside this way, come to the upper part, a faint line outside this way. But as you can see in the dimension given, distance from here to here is 55. So I'll measure 55 from this point here to somewhere here, 55. So doing that, I'll be having something of this nature. From here to here, 55. From here to here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half, 55. So it is taking it instantly. You can see. Then you just take your set square this way and close it up. Then you have already drawn a line, a faint line here. So just connect it where this line will meet this. If you're having this, then similarly you come to this point here, you close it up. You're having this. Then take a meter rule, you connect this part together and this part here together. This is absolutely replicates what we are having here, or what you're having here to be this. Now the next thing to do is simple and basic. Now, after you have successfully done all this, you need to establish, this also. You also have what? What can I call it? A pipe. There will be a hole here too, isn't it? So what do you notice? This has the same dimension with this. Am I right? So what I'm trying to say is that we measured 18 to get the dimension of 36. So let's measure 18 again. So measure my 18 from here to this point here is my 18. You put at this point here. You can see an arc here. Put an arc here. So that arc, you transfer it outside this way. Come to this point here. This way. Then you just connect. Since they are having the same diameter, you just take it from here. When they are connecting, you just connect this together with this. So we are having this. You link this together and connect this together. Now, next up, the next thing to do is to take your set square this way and draw an imaginary line straight down here. As you can see, the next thing to do is to take your readings from here to this point. As you can see what I'm doing. Then after that, you take it, place it at this point here. You draw a semicircle. Sorry. Let me show you the semicircle very well. You draw a semicircle this way. With the same measurement, come to this point here. As you can see. Let's see the distance from here to here. Is this. So you take it from here. Draw a semicircle this way. Alright, we're having this. So just take it, let's divide it into 6 equal parts. Come here, cut here, come to this point here, cut here. Then take it to this point, cut this, cut this. Our aim is to divide this into 6 equal parts. So you come to this other point here too. Since they're having, take it from here to here, here to here. So you come to this point here, strike an arc here, an arc here. So come to this baseline here, strike an arc here, come to this point here, strike an arc here. So you're having this to be, so now you take this here to be 3, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes, next up, here will be what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now the next thing to do, let me show what I'm doing very well. Okay. What I'm doing very well. The next thing to do is what? Connect these lines to the center point. It's the center point this way. All these to center point. Connect them to center point. Connect them to center point. As you can see this. Then you come down to this other side too. Connect this center point. These two center point. This center point. And likewise these two to center point. I'll be having this. Alright. Now next up, the next thing to do is to what? Take, you join all these regions. You know this is my point 3. 3, you extend it downward. As you can see, this is point 2 here. From point 2, extend it downward to this place. Point 1, extend it downward to the end of the cone. Likewise, point 0, we elongate it. Yes, to this point here. Let's proceed. Point 1, we straighten it downward to this point here. Point 2, also, we extend it. Point 2 to this point. We'll be having this. So likewise, the other one down here, we extend it to the circumference of a circle. Point 0 is already touching the circumference of the circle. So point 1 to this circumference of the circle. Point 2 to touch the circumference of the circle. Point 3 is already touching. Point 2 also. Likewise, point 1 touch the circumference of the circle. Now after I've successfully drawn this, the next thing to do is to what? Is to take this reading this way. Now, after I've successfully drawn this one, this circle here, this one here will be hidden. This aspect from here to here, this circle here, I mean this curve here will be hidden, because if you are looking at this from the plan, that is, if you are looking at it from the plan, this place will be hidden. So then let me just show a hidden line here. So if I want to show my hidden line, come here. Just take the distance from here to somewhere there. You sure it is same measurement. Come here. This way. So you show hidden line. Come here. Yes, so you show hidden line. Hidden lines. You can see what I'm doing. Show the hidden line that you can't see that those place. So this is my hidden line. Now the next thing to do is to what? Take a pin of compass this way. Now we have elongate point 2 this place. Take it upward. Point 3. This is 3. Alright. Take it to this point here. Now let's proceed. The next thing to do is what? Take the distance from this. Now this is 3. So now let's label it. This is my point 0. Alright, let me show what I'm doing. Come on. This is my point 0. To this point here is 0. This is 1. 1. This is 2. and this is 3. So now this is another one. Let's do some with 1 prime, 2 prime, and lastly 3 prime. Now the next step, you take distance from here to this point here. From this point here, this is for 3. Am I right? Line 3. You take it from here to this point here. As you can see what I'm doing, you now come to the center point of this circle. Let me show you what I'm doing. Distance from here to here, as you can see, for 3. You take it to the center point. You draw a circle this way. As you can see, where this circle, this is, we do this for measurement of 3, Abby. Where this circle means 3, this is 3 here too. It's touching this point, taking this point here. Alright. The next thing, we start from 2. From 2, for 2, from here to here is my 2. So we take it from this center point, we draw a circle this way. We're having this. So 2 is here, 2 is here. Because I take the use of what? Of 2. The line of 2. So we extend this 2 to the circumference of the circle of 2. Extend this 2 to this point of 2. Taking it and taking it. We're having this. Next up, you take the measurements from what? 1. You know what I've done for 2. Let's do for 1 now. From here to somewhere here is my point 1. Then you take it to another point here. Draw a circle this way. As you can see. So where they meet, you draw 1. Connect this 1 to this point here, and 1 here to this point, 1 here. I'll be having this, taking this, and taking this. Next up, I've done for that point 1, now point 0. From this point here to this point here is my point 0. As you can see. So I'll take my focus to this point. I will draw the circle. Now, where 0 is meeting 0? 0 is meeting 0 at this point. Likewise, 0 is meeting 0 at this point. So we're having this. That is, this aspect here will be thickened because looking at it from the top, this place will be thickened. Now, next thing to do is what? We have done for 0. Let's move on to 1 prime. 1 prime from here to here is my 1 prime. Take it to the center point here. Draw a circle of 1 prime. Where 1 prime will meet 1, this is my 1. Putting 1 prime here, taking this place. 1 is meeting 1 here. You can see I'll be having this. Next up, I'll do for 1 prime. Come to 2 prime. From here to here is my 2 prime. So take it to this center point. Draw a circle this way. Now where 2 prime is meeting 2 at this point, 2 at this point. As you can see, next up, your point 3 is the last one. Alright, I've done for 2. Then 3 from here to this point, my point 3. Take the center point, draw a circle this way. Then you extend it. 3 is touching 3 at this point. So the next thing to do is what? Is to join this curve together using my French curve. So doing that with this, please, if you are watching this video for the first time, or you're just hearing about my channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so that whenever I drop any video, you will be among the first person to view the video. Taking this place here, as you can see. Likewise, place here. This will be thickened. So next up, all this points here will be faint line, it will be hidden line to show them. Hidden lines. Because they will be hidden. You cannot see them. You see, show them with hidden line. We'll be having this. Now, next up, obviously drawn this. Here will be hidden, here will be hidden. Then next thing, take your set square this way, and your t square. This is my t square. So you put your test square on this way. So I will just show you what I'm doing. What I'll be doing now. Now, the next thing to do now is what? Project this line upward. What will I project upward? This is my point 3 here. Isn't it? We project point 3 from this point here. Point 3 upward, touching point 3. This is my point 3 here, touching point 3 here. Taking it. Next up is what? 2. Line of 2. Where is 2? 2 is touching 2 at this point. 2 at this point. Take it to point 2. Point 2 to point 2 here is touching here. Alright. Next one is what? Okay, 1. Alright. 1. So 1, this is my line 1. Is here. Take it to this point 1. Draw a line upward to 1. To 1 prime. Touching at this point, taking it. Next up, 1. Next one is 0. Where is 0? My point 0 is here. Take it to, because this is 0 here. If you extend it, this is my point 0. Take it to this point here. Upward to 0. I'll be having something here. Can you see that? So we're trying to show the interpenetration arc that will fit in when this cone and this cylinder join together. Understand? So that's what we're trying to do. This is my point 0 to point 0. The next one is what? 1 again. My point 1 with my point 1 is where? This is my point 1 again. Not from here to here again is my point 1. Alright. We come to this point here. Extend it to point 1. We're having it here. Point 2 touches this place. Alright. Take it. Point 2. Extend it upward. Touching this place. Alright. Likewise, point 3. 3 is touching this point. So take it. This is my point 3 here. This line. This 3 touches this place. So from that point here, take it upward. You can see to touch this place. Then I can just use my French curve to join them together. So doing that, I'll be having this coming. And to join them, join this to this. You can see. So next thing to do is what? Coming, join them together. So if you're having this is giving my what? Interpenetration arc, and this is giving my arc in the plan. So I've successfully drawn out this figure that we're seeing here. This question. Successfully produce out this question here. Is this question you're seeing out here? So if you found this video helpful, kindly click on the subscription button and like. Welcome to Wise Link Academy. Thanks for watching.